Video is in regard of the person that asked about how to change the Binance line chart to the normal candlestick chart, and also how to add indicators. So in this video, I will be showing you how to go about that step by step. So watch this video to the end. The first thing you have to do is to come over here where you have, in order for you to be able to change your line chart to candlesticks chart here in the Binance app, you have to head over here where you have the market. You click on it, then you select any pair. For the sake of this video, I'm selecting the FDUSD as an example. You just click on it, then it will take it to your chart. You take it to your chart. You can see now that over here we have the line chart. So I just want to change this line chart to the normal candlesticks charts. So the first thing you have to do is you just have to head over to any of these time frames. Okay, you can either tweak on 15 minutes or choose the 1 hour or 4 hours. So currently it's on time. So whenever you open up your Binance, the chart is going to be on time, which is the default. Okay, so you have to change it to any of the time frames. So if you select any of the time frames here, the chart will be automatically turned to the normal candlestick chart that you want. So let's toggle it. I've clicked on it. You wait for it to load. You can see now the chart is now the normal candlestick pattern. And also if you click on another time frame, let's click on the 1 hour. If you click on 1 hour, it's still the same thing. It's still gonna show you your normal candlesticks. All right, so that is how you toggle from the line chart here on Binance to the candlestick chart. All right, so secondly, if you want to delete any of the, let's say, moving average, or you want to delete any indicator from the Binance chart here, what you have to do here is you have to ensure that the chart is right on either the 15-minute or any of the time frames. Or if you need more time frames, you just have to click over here and you see these are the various time frames that are on Binance. All right, these are the various time frames, but you have to just be sure that your chart is on any of the time frames here. Is in any of the time frames here. Okay, so now when your chart is in any of the time frames and you are sure about that, you now have to click over here, the same place, and you head to where you have the indicator section here. You click on it and then you add your Bollinger Band. These are the various indicators that we have. We have the average value line, you have the stop and reverse, you have the Bollinger and this exponential and the moving averages, and we also have more of them. There are a lot of them here. And the sub indicators, these sub indicators here are the ones that are always sitting just at the bottom of the chart. Okay, while these indicators at the top here, these ones above the sub indicators, which are the main indicators, are the indicators that always sit at the front of the chart, at top the chart. Okay, all right, so want to add one of these and also add one of these. All right, want to add one of these and also add one of these. So we'll add the moving average, and I'll also add the relative strength index for the sake of this section of the video, so that you understand how to go about the indicator. So what I'm going to be doing is that I'll highlight the moving average first. I'll click on the moving average first, and then you see these two here. Whenever I want to add as many moving average to your chart, you just highlight them. You highlight this one. I've highlighted two. I've highlighted MA1, which is the moving average 1, the moving average 2. I just want to highlight 3 also. I'll click on the highlight, and also I can decide to change the value of the line that has displayed in the chart, and also the width of the line, and also the color. But I just want them to be that way. All right, and then I'll click on confirm. After that, you click on confirm. It has been added automatically. Remember, I added the moving average. Let's go and go to the chart. Let me show you something. So if you click on that, it will load up this page. All right, it will load up this page. Let me just go back and show you something. When I clicked on this, it took me to my indicator section. It took me to my indicator section, and then I now clicked on that indicator. I selected the moving average. I said I was going to select the moving average and also one of these, either the MACD or the moving average. So I selected the MACD. It took me here, and I highlighted 3 indicators from it. I highlighted these 3 indicators from it, and I clicked on confirm, and then I went down to MACD, which is a sub indicator. I clicked on it, and I highlighted it as well. All right, I highlighted this, the DIF, the DEA, and the MACD. I highlighted them, and then I clicked on confirm. Now you go back to the charts. Now I want you to understand that after highlighting those your indicators, you need to come down here. You need to scroll down a little bit to where you have before, where you have this MAE, the Bollinger. You know, I highlighted the Bollinger and the moving average. Now, if you do not come over here and click on this and also click on this, it's not going to pop up in the chart. It's not going to pop up in the chart. Why you are seeing these ones here in the chart is because I highlighted the Bollinger Band, the volume, and the MACD to show. That is why you are seeing it. And then when you look into the chart, you can see now that you can see the stochastic. You can see the stochastic here, and you can see the volume is also here. The volume is also here. All right, and the MACD is also here. Why? Because I first came here and highlighted them right here after highlighting it at the indicator section. So before this chart can display right in your chart, before your indicators can display right in your chart, you have to ensure that after highlighting them right at the indicator section over here, where we went to before, we have to go back to where we went to before and click on the indicators. You click on the indicators. After clicking on the indicators, I want you to just understand that we have to highlight them first. Highlight any of them. You can highlight the MAE and the EMA. So after clicking on the MAE and the EMA, we have to highlight them. We have to highlight these 3 first. After highlighting these 3, we now have to go back to the chart. And ensure that we scroll down here and also toggle these ones on. Okay, that is what I want you to understand. All right, without toggling this one on, these ones here on, this one, you might not see them pop up in the chart. All right, without toggling them on, you might not see these lines pop up in the chart. So the second thing you should always aim to do is to always come down here and ensure that these ones are toggled on so that they can appear right in your charts. Okay, I hope you understand what I say. I hope you understand all that I've said here. If you find this video very useful, kindly ensure you like and subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications so that whenever I drop new videos, you will get them on time. See you in the next video. you.